In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit workflows in Circle. So for 2025, step by step. Let's start this journey by logging into your Circle.so admin account. Heading over to your account is your first move, where you'll be greeted with the clean user interface of Circle.so. Once you're in, you'll want to look to the left sidebar for a tab labeled Automations or Workflows. Click on that section to reveal a delightful array of possibilities for streamlining your workspace tasks through automated workflows. Now that you're in the heart of your automation management area, it's time to locate the workflow you want to make changes to. Find the specific workflow needing your attention and click the Edit option, which is marked by a pencil icon. Moving into the editing mode, the first aspect you might want to adjust is the triggers. This is what initiates your workflow, so it's crucial to get this step right. Click on Modify Triggers, and then click on Trigger to choose from a list of events like New Member or New Post. Each option can drastically change what your workflow manages to accomplish, so pick what truly aligns with your goals. Make sure to save this selection. Next in line is the part where you get to unleash creativity through actions. This is what will happen once your triggers are set off. Head over to Modify Actions, click on Action, and select the type you desire, whether it be sending an email, adding a tag, or updating a field, all up to your preference and workflow necessity. Remember to configure the details carefully and save your settings, ensuring each action is set up just the way you like it. For those looking for a bit of customization beyond the regular set of steps, consider adding or removing steps in the workflow. It's quite simple. You just click on the option for add or remove steps, depending on your current need. By doing this, you can choose to add a new step by selecting a trigger or an action, configuring it, and then saving it. Or if a particular step is no longer serving its purpose, click to delete it, but make sure to confirm that deletion. Furthermore, it's crucial to review the conditions or delays within your workflow, as these can influence the timing and sequence of your actions. Begin by clicking on the option that allows you to edit these conditions or delays, adjust the timing as required, and hit save to ensure everything is in order. Once satisfied with your adjustments, it's time to save the entire workflow. Confirm these changes to lock them in, but don't just leave it there. Test the workflow by triggering the event you set earlier. This ensures that your actions flow smoothly and reliably as per your design. So there you have it, a complete guide to editing workflows in Circle. So, by following these steps, you can effectively manage and automate tasks, thus making your workspace more efficient and tailored to your needs.